morning, I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Wednesday, February 20th. And now it is time for our daily trivia contest. Students and teachers can email their answer to pillymedia@pilly.k12.im.us. The first person to get the answer right will be put in a drawing for a prize. Today's daily puzzle is Where Wednesday. We will show you a location. You have to tell us where it is. Here's the picture. The choir students will be selling candy this week. Each jumbo candy item is $2. The funds will be used for a chance to perform at Kentucky Kingdom. See any choir student or Mr. Carter if you are interested. Are you thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. And now to Audrey with your Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. Last night, JV and varsity boys basketball both defeated North Harrison. This week, we will be having dress-up days in honor of FFA week. Today is FFA shirt, tomorrow is college t-shirt, and Friday is dollar hat day. Back to you, Joni.
Attention 8th through 11th grade students. Mr. Crowder will be holding auditions for choir February 25th through March 1st. Auditions will be held during, before, and after school. If you are interested, please see Mr. Crowder any day next week. And now to Ian with your weather report.
So as we go through your morning and your afternoon, we could expect some light rain showers. As we hit into this evening, we could expect them to rise and then chances. For your weather today, we have a high of 52 and a low of 30. Hanging through your week on Thursday, we have a high of 46 and a low of 39. And on Friday, the rain chances will heighten more with a high of 48 and a low of 42. Back to you.
Congratulations to Madison Cunningham for winning today's trivia question. The answer was the main hallway by the library. Stay tuned for more trivia tomorrow. I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.